why wouldn't I want to come work for Martin Equipment? It's a family name, you know, all the people here just treat you like family, and it's really great. My name's Jace Punky. I'm a fabricator here at Martin Equipment. Fabrication's kind of a whole lot of everything. It's not just welding, it's putting holes in metal. We could be cutting stuff out on the plasma table. We could be bending stuff in the press brake. And then there's the welding aspect of it. Dad's been here for 9-10 years, something like that, but he's been welding for quite some time, you know, ever since he was a little kid, and he's always had a blast doing it.
I'm Ben Punky. I'm the welder fabricator here. Started a long time ago with my dad working out on the farm. I just always wanted to do it. Started working here at Martin's when I was a kid, just on buckets and stuff, and then I went to work with my dad at the farm shop, and it just kept rolling after that. Blaze is with me. He started about 3 years ago. And he pretty much can do almost everything I can do now.
I kind of got started when I was younger. I'd go over to my grandpa's farm shop, and I know, like, when I was really little, I was always interested because I saw, like, my dad welding. Towards the end of high school, I knew I kind of wanted to weld, and I really wanted to come here and work with my dad because I knew that would be pretty good.
This is where Blaze was. Blaze said he freaking loves it. He loves everybody here. Everybody treats him very well.
To have both of your boys working with you it's fun every day. It's having them around.
It's a blessing, you know. I don't know what I would do if I didn't have those guys out here.